Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be hanging out with our Primeweld Tig 225. Now, one of the common statements I hear people say when they're inquiring or doing research looking for a TIG welder is, well, I do not have 220 volts in my garage or in my shop or wherever that might be. So one of the features that this welder comes with is it will run on both 220 and 110, which is great. Most other companies that provide that feature, it is an additional $500 for that feature, such as, there's a couple of them, I won't name names, but Primeweld does it for their flat rate. This machine comes in at, I believe, $799, so right at the $800 mark. And today we are going to show its capabilities on a 110 outlet only. So let's get started. We'll see what we can do. We're going to run some stainless, some mild steel, and some aluminum on 110 and a standard wall outlet. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fire our machine up here, hit the power button, and one of the first indicators that we are on 110 is that we can grab our current knob or our amperage knob and crank that guy all the way up, and it's only going to land somewhere in between 140 and 147 volts is the most, or amps, excuse me, is the most I've seen on this machine when it's plugged into 110. Now you can see here I have it plugged into my 110 outlet. Yes, the electricians, I don't have a outlet cover. Shame on me. So it just has a converter plug that goes into 110 and then up into the machine. We're running straight argon today. Now we're going to be looking at these 6 coupons here today. So we have some 1/8 inch stainless steel, some 3/16 stainless steel. We have some 16 gauge aluminum, 10 gauge aluminum, and 1/4 inch aluminum. And then the mild steel piece we have here is a chunk of 10 gauge that is welded to 3/16. We're going to show some arc shots. I'm going to show you how they ran, what materials that I used while welding them. Now, all these pieces were welded with the machine turned onto a 140 amps, so basically cranked all the way up in that position, and I just regulated the pedal. After we're done seeing our arc shots and talking about what we see there, we're going to cut these pieces apart, see what kind of penetration we got, and you can make your decision from there on if this is a worthy machine for your shop, even if you're running off that 110 outlet. And there we have it, guys. Thanks for chiming in. Hopefully this was useful information to further your choice on whether a Primeweld is the machine for you. Before you head out, make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell icon. I'll let you know when the next video is coming up. Make sure to check out their website below and go build something, guys.